In this video, I'm going to talk you through how you can take an existing keyword phrase, or even a lot of existing keyword phrases, and multiply it many times over by basically jumbling up the words to make every possible combination of each phrase. And I'll show what I mean in just a second. So I think there's quite a few different tools that have this functionality online, and I believe most of them are generally free. The one I'm going to be using is, you can get it from keywordtumbler.com, and it's free. You just need to enter your name and email address to get a copy. Okay, so let's minimize Internet Explorer. And I've got the Keyword Tumbler software here, so let's double click that to open it up. So what you can do, you can enter a keyword phrase here. So for example, ebook marketing online. So that's a 3-word keyword phrase. So then you would click here to mix a single keyword phrase. And it takes that phrase and jumbles up the words to make every possible combination. So one keyword phrase with 3 words becomes 6 individual keyword phrases. And the usefulness, this is useful because people don't always search for stuff logically. They don't always enter keyword phrases in a logical way. I can speak from personal experience. I often enter all the keywords I'm looking for, but not in a way if you took the keywords I entered in the way I entered them, it's not a logical phrase. I tend to just enter keywords, all the keywords I'm looking for, because I know the search engine is gonna take them all and then try to find pages which include all of them. So people do often enter keyword phrases, but looking at them, they're not always logical. They don't always read like an English phrase. But that's the point. Often they're just a combination. Often they're just a mixture of different keywords. So any of these can possibly be typed in. If someone's looking for ebook marketing online, it's possible they could type marketing online ebook or online ebook marketing. Those are all possible options for keyword phrases. So that's how you can, take just one phrase in this case and multiply it, grow it very quickly by tumbling the words, in this case, using the Keyword Tumbler software. And as you can see here, it returns 6 different variations of the single keyword phrase. So let's click the reset button. And let's click here to mix multiple keyword phrases from text file. And actually, excuse me, just before we do that, I'm going to go over to TextPad here. TextPad it's a very powerful text editor. It's like Windows Notepad is a text editor, but TextPad is a lot more powerful, and I'll just be showing you just one of the nice features it has. So if we go to the File menu and choose Open, it opens up, in this case, to the desktop. Let's open up the ebook keywords.txt file, ebook keywords text file. If we open that up, these are some ebook keywords which have been gathered from the Overture search term suggestion tool. And if you scroll down to the bottom, place the cursor there. Okay, 238, as you can see, that's line number 238. So if we place the cursor here, on the last line of text, and looking down here again, where my mouse is at the bottom of the screen, 237, that means line 237. So that means there's 237 different keyword phrases here. And that's a pretty good start, and these are all related to ebook. ebook, free ebook, ebook publishing, and so on. So 237 keyword phrases related to ebook. So let's close this text file down for now. Let's close it inside TextPad, okay? And going back to keyword Tumblr, we want to click here to mix multiple keyword phrases from text file. So let's click that. Okay, it's opened in the desktop automatically, but of course you would navigate to wherever your keyword text files are. So here's the text file in question, ebook keywords.txt. So select it, click on it to select it, open, and the software's processing. It's started working on our text file immediately. So it's taking the text file containing 237 unique keyword phrases, and each keyword phrase it's jumbling up to create as many combinations of those words as it can. So for example, for a 3 keyword phrase, it will jumble those three keywords up into all the different variations it can. And naturally a keyword with 5 words, naturally a keyword phrase with 5 words is going to produce many more variations than a keyword phrase with 3 words. So okay, it's still processing. Okay, that took a minute or so to finish, but it's done now. So what we do is click on copy to clipboard, return to TextPad, or whichever text editor you use. I'm going to be using TextPad in this instance. We want to file new, a new blank text document. So now, because we've copied the contents of keyword Tumblr to the Windows clipboard, what we want to do now is choose Edit, Paste. So those are all our many keyword variations. And if we scroll to the bottom, and I'll put the cursor here in the last line, you can see the number of lines, 10,443. So by using keyword Tumblr, by mixing up all the keywords in each keyword phrase, 237 keyword phrases has become over 10,000. So this is a very useful technique and a very useful tool for very quickly and very effectively growing your keyword phrase list.